Hey guys, I recently put out a video showing the Nevada test site where the United States they tested the atomic weapons that they used on Japan and many other things there. I can imagine. What I didn't point out is that there's another spot very close by that most people know and don't know that these two areas are pretty close. They're pretty much in the same area. So I'll show you guys. Let's zoom down in here. We'll go over to Nevada, go down by Las Vegas. Death Valley. Okay, we get down to Las Vegas, and you can see the sand that goes northwest. Let me get it straight here. It goes northwest here. See that sand? Well, if you follow that up, and just north of Mercury, you'll find the bombing range where they tested atomic weapons here. Just on the other side of the mountain range, you have this place, which some of you may know what it is. Many of you probably don't. This is Area 51. Pretty fitting it's right across the way from a completely radioactive area. That ought to keep people out, right? I wanted to show you guys a scale of this big massive one up north, on the north end here. This thing is massive. I took a couple screenshots, so once this video is through, I'll try to blend them and show you kind of the scale of what it would be. It's pretty crazy. I've kind of just viewed it a little bit with the cars that are down at the south end. There's some cars down here, buildings. That's about the same scale, roughly, guesstimate. So if you get down here, that's a car. Just to give you an idea of just how big that crater is. Try to blend them and see what I can do with the editor. But I did notice down here is the Teapot crater. That's a pretty famous detonation of an atomic weapon. But you can notice this line. Try to get my pen out here and draw. You see this line runs through the explosion. Take a peek around here to see this kind of has the same line jutting out. Nuclear explosion. The vast amount of explosions that occurred out here. nuclear explosions. Boggles the mind. There was an area out here. I did notice something that was kind of strange. Where's it to? Let's see. Sorry if I'm making you guys sick. Oh yeah, there's a dot. See this darker dot here? This means it's a deeper hole. It's creating a shadow. That was kind of interesting looking. It's a pretty deep hole, and like a pipe almost jutting out the side of it. You can kind of see the shadow on the bottom of it. Strange. Like a carpet bombing range, but it's not. These were all, most of them were specifically put on towers. Some of the towers, I believe, are still standing out here. I was looking, see if we can find one of the towers. Deeper holes here. These must have been underground explosions. Just caved it in. Imagine. Be my guess. Because they moved from open air tests, which is why you see the different craters, to tests that were deep in the ground so it didn't spread as much. There are facilities out here and vehicles, obviously, so they're always out here doing stuff. You wouldn't catch me out here. No thank you. What it takes is that one speck of dust to get inside, create a problem. Most of this area is pretty desolate. There's not much around. Not seeing any of the towers. I've seen a few of the towers that were still in the middle of the shadow showed, but I can't find them. Headquarters or something there. Roads, different craters. You can imagine the amount of work that they did out here. Let's go take a peek over here at Area 51 and see what they're up to. Huh? See what they're using our tax dollars for. Well, looks like they're into some new construction. I suppose they're building here. Facilities of some sort. Laying the groundwork, looks like. Area 51. Secrets are in here, huh? They're expanding. Nearly double the area of the buildings if they put more buildings there. A little smaller than half. Still quite a big area. Figured I'd go show you guys. It's pretty interesting that they picked Area 51 to be right here. And really, that's downwind. The jet stream mainly moves left to right. So, sure doesn't make me want to go to Las Vegas, I tell you that. Happens in Las Vegas stays in Las Vegas, huh? And that's because of Area 51 and the carpet bombing of atomic weapons. Maddening that they would do that. Our own country. That's why they moved it to the Pacific Ocean, over in the islands over there. And they irradiated those islands. Still radiating today, just like it is here. Alright, well, this is getting pretty long, so we'll take a peek, see what they're using our tax dollars for, check out all the craters, and I'll see if I can't match up these, try to scale these pictures of that area where the car was in that crater. So, alright guys, well, there's some interesting things here that I didn't show, so go have a peek, and hope you enjoyed it. So, thanks. Bye.